StarTech docking station flickering remains a persistent issue in 2025, particularly affecting USB-C and Thunderbolt models used with multiple monitors and high-resolution displays. The flickering stems from several key factors. Hardware issues include insufficient power delivery, poor cable quality, bandwidth limitations, and port compatibility problems between different HDMI versions. Software-related factors include driver conflicts between integrated graphics and docking station drivers, display scaling issues, refresh rate mismatches, and problematic power management settings. Cable quality is crucial for stable connections. Always use certified HDMI 2.1 or DisplayPort 1.4 cables. The difference between older HDMI 2.0 and newer HDMI 2.1 cables can significantly impact display stability. Driver conflicts are a major source of flickering problems. DisplayLink drivers power many docking stations and must be kept updated. Both Windows and Mac systems require regular driver updates for optimal performance. For immediate troubleshooting, follow these 4 essential steps. First, verify your cables are certified and undamaged. Second, power cycle all devices completely. Third, ensure you have the latest drivers installed. Finally, test with a single monitor to isolate the problem. When basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve flickering issues, it's time for advanced diagnostics. These systematic approaches can identify deeper problems and provide lasting solutions. First, calculate bandwidth requirements to ensure your display setup doesn't exceed the docking station's capabilities. Each monitor resolution and refresh rate consumes specific bandwidth that must fit within the dock's limits. EDID management is crucial for display compatibility. The custom resolution utility allows manual configuration of display parameters when automatic detection fails, resolving conflicts between different monitor types. Power delivery verification ensures adequate wattage for all connected devices. Insufficient power is a leading cause of display instability, especially with high-resolution monitors and multiple peripherals. Firmware updates are essential for optimal performance. Manufacturers regularly release updates that fix compatibility issues, improve stability, and add support for new devices and display standards. For long-term solutions, consider upgrading to Thunderbolt 4 docks for demanding setups. These provide higher bandwidth, better power delivery, and improved compatibility with modern displays and devices. Proper cable management and interference reduction are crucial for stable connections. Use certified cables, maintain proper spacing, and establish regular maintenance schedules for driver updates. Industry experts reveal that 70% of docking station flickering issues stem from inadequate power delivery or poor cable quality. Addressing these fundamental factors resolves the majority of problems.